Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. Boots have released another beauty box and it is the Love Island edit. It contains 17 beauty products, 13 of which are full size. It costs £55 and it has a value of £290.92. If you're interested in this beauty box for yourself, as always you'll find a link to it down below in my description, and down there you'll see all my other discount codes for other websites, so you're welcome to take a look. As always, it's jam-packed, full of products. I love the fact that nearly all of them are full size. Starting off with a fragrance mist. This is Sol de Janeiro and this is Shirosa 48. It says feel a rush of fresh guava nectar, sunlit orchid and sensuous pink musk. And there's 40 mils there. I'm not sure if I've smelt this one before. Could it be one of the new ones that they've released? Okay, woo! Not in my face. Whoa, that's quite strong. That is really strong! Oh my gosh! Their sprays don't normally make me cough so much, which obviously I've cut out. But that is a really like sort of spray. It smells nice, nice and fruity. It's not one of my favourites from the brand. It just really gets to my throat. You know, like some sleep sprays do? That sort of thing. No, really odd. I'll see what my daughter thinks anyway. It could be just me having a bit of an off day. So there's that. Next we've got something for your nails. These are by Miley. They're gel nail wraps. There's 20 gel nail stickers. You don't need an LED or UV lamp. It says salon mani in minutes, lasts up to 14 days, fast and gentle removal, comes in 10 sizes. Now I haven't ever tried these before. Now I did receive some, I can't remember when actually, in a beauty box sometime, and I was going to put them on my toenails, but I just never got around to doing it. So I'm not really sure how you use them. You've got wooden cuticle stick and nail file, and you've got a user manual. You see it goes to pink. I'm not sure if it'll show up on the iridescent, like opaly, but then in certain light it looks pink. Hopefully you can see there. So choose your nails, prep and peel, apply and press, and then trim with a file and enjoy. Simple. I wonder how long these would actually last me, because I have my nails done in a salon, but if I didn't, nail polish only literally lasts me a couple of days if I do it myself, and then it's all chipped and yeah, I'm not very good at doing my own nails. Right, we've got a setting spray by Huda Beauty. This is Easy Bake and there's 30 mils. So it contains rice starch, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, alcohol and fragrance free. Now I haven't tried this yet. I love Huda Beauty products though. Nice fine mist. Yeah, I like that. Oh, not a lot of information on there, but I'll have a look on the website. But I love my setting sprays, as you probably already know. So I'm definitely keeping that one. My daughter isn't getting it. Then we've got Milk Makeup. This is a Kush Lip Oil, a nourishing sheer tinted oil made with hemp seed oil for a pop of shine and smoother looking hydrated lips. And it's in Green Dragon. Now I love a lip oil. What would be the reason for it being green? Obviously it's not going to turn out proper green on your lips, isn't it? I forgot I've got a super matte lipstick on my lips, but then I put a bit of gloss over the top. Completely forgot I'd done that. I was thinking, oh, it's going to be fine. Well, it feels amazing on my lips. There, I've managed to get some of it off, so that's all right. It feels absolutely gorgeous. Then we have got another lip oil. This is by NYX. This is Fat Oil Lip Drip. In what shade? We've got Mist Call. Now these are really nice. I had the NYX Advent Calendar last year. Yeah, there's quite a few of them in there. Yeah, it's a really nice colour, isn't it? But yeah, I'd definitely wear that on its own or on top of lipstick like the lipstick I had on before. I'll have to check to see whether I've actually got this shade. Mist Call. It doesn't ring a bell. We got number 7. This is a Good Intense Dew Bank Water Cream with hyaluronic acid and camellia oil. There's 100 mils there. A quenching cocktail of hyaluronic acid and camellia oil in a lightweight, fast-absorbing water cream. Well, I like the packaging. Very similar to BYOMA, which I've also seen in here as well. Yeah, no, I like it. I love a water cream in the summer months. It's lighter. It feels nice on your skin as well. And then usually like come into autumn, then winter, I tend to apply more richer products to my skin. I've got a combination to normal actually, because I am on medication to control my oiliness. Yeah, that feels nice. Fragrance free, a water cream there by number 7. So going back to the BYOMA, this is a hydrating milky toner, barrier lipids with polyglutamic acid and cica, so boosted barrier, better skin, and there's 150 mils there. The gentle milky formula helps reduce redness caused by dry skin and locks in moisture across multiple layers of the skin, minimizing water loss for radiant dewy results while protecting the skin barrier. Great for sensitive or sensitized skin. So no, I really like that. Actually, that sounds more like a winter type toner for me. I have a lot of redness in my skin, but more so around the winter months because it's cold outside and also central heating, and it changes up your skin, doesn't it? Feels nice though. It does feel nice. So hydrate and repair milky toner. Then we've got Amika. This is for your hair. This is Perk Plus Extended Clean Dry Shampoo. 199 mils there. Why couldn't they add just another one to make it 200 like you normally get? It's fine. Infused with arrowroot powder, rambutan seed extract and peptides, the invisible dry shampoo helps refresh and revitalize the scalp. It absorbs and removes oil, reduces odor and fights build-up. I love the packaging. The designs on all of Amika products are just so beautiful, aren't they? You can imagine a whole selection on like a dressing table. It'd be gorgeous. But yeah, I'm not that into dry shampoo at the moment. It's not that great for my hair because I've got androgenic alopecia. If my hair becomes greasy, then I have to wash it and not coat it. Disguise it really, but it is a handy thing to have. It's not that I will never use it again, but I think I'll just pass it on to my daughter. Then we've got Nuxe. This is Huile Prodigieuse. I know I'm not saying that right. It's a multi-purpose dry oil for face, body and hair. It's a beautiful dry oil that doesn't leave any stickiness, which is so lovely, and it has a really gorgeous smell as well. And we've got the illuminizing one in this box, so it moisturizes, leaves a satin finish, illuminates with 7 precious botanical oils, and there's 15 mils there. Now I've just bought the same one but in rollerball form because, as you can see, you know, like to get this out you have to like literally pour it a little bit on your hand like that, which is okay. It's not gonna like just all come out, but it just means with a rollerball you've just got more control. I really like that idea. So you're not going to see much here. You might be able to see a little bit of like shimmer on my hand maybe, but yeah, it has a gorgeous smell. Oh, it's just so nice. I wouldn't use it on my hair, wouldn't use it on my face, but definitely on my body. And whenever I do go on holiday, I always try and get a little mini of this anyway to put like on my shins, on my shoulder blades, on my chest, just so that with a fake tan as well, it just all glimmers. Yeah, I do really like it. And they've brought out a few different ones over the years as well. So yeah, so there's that. What else? We have got First Aid Beauty, and this is a KP Bumper Razor Body Scrub with 10% AHA. It's suitable for sensitive skins, and it's a fresh strawberry exfoliant, and there's 56.7 grams there. So this product is particularly good if you have the bumpy skin, as it suggests here. You apply it to wet skin, massage it all in, rinse off, and then you apply a moisturiser on top. Then we've got some eye patches. This is from Patchology, and this is served chilled on ice. They're firming eye gels, set of 2 one-use patches. It contains peptides, cloudberry oil and bakuchiol. So really great if you pop them in the fridge, leave them there for a while so then they're super cold. Well, yeah, that's what it says, doesn't it? Served chilled on ice. But yeah. Pop them in the fridge or a freezer before you use them, and it just helps with like the depuffing. Yeah, that's what I always do anyway. They're a powerful refreshment for under eye bags and fine lines. Then we've got another hair product. This is by Full. This is a styling spray, smoothing defrizzing spray with vitamin E, squalene and biotin. It has lightweight hold, adds volume, tames frizz, heat and UV protection. And there's 100 mils here. Get ready for soft, frizz-free, luminous looks that stay put all day without that sticky, crunchy feeling, and packed full of goodies for your hair. So say hello to your new favourite styling spray. What we got here? Oh, we got Skin+Me. Skin+Me is an online subscription. I've used Skin+Me in the past, where you upload your photos, you explain your skin issues, and then a doctor, a dermatologist goes through your details and then comes up with specific cream that is suitable for your skin. So with me, it was azelaic acid and tretinoin. Can't remember the exact doses, but I did it for a couple of months and it was really good. If you really want to streamline your skincare and you just want one or two particular products for your skin needs, then it's definitely worth checking out. And I'm sure they do like a lot of like first sign up incentives, like first month is free or discounted or whatever. But anyway, as well as your monthly prescription, they also do skincare which you can buy, like moisturisers, SPFs and things like that. And this is a moisturiser, and this is formulated for oily to combination skin. So not for me, but my daughter has oily and combination skin. It can be used AM, PM to balance, controls oils and hydrates. And there's 50 mils there. Oh yeah. It says your ingredients: 1.5% bioidentical triceramide blend, which fortifies the skin barrier. 0.3% hyaluronic acid, intensely rehydrates and locks in moisture. 1% zinc, PCA, controls excess oil production and minimises pores. It does sound really great. And if I had oily combination skin, I would definitely be giving that a go. Okay, what have I got? We got an SPF. This is from Inky List. This is polyglutamic acid dewy sunscreen SPF 30. Ideal for all skin types to help protect and hydrate for dewy primed skin. And there's 50 mils there. 8% hydration trio of polyglutamic acid, glycerin and squalene helps lock in moisture for a smooth dewy finish. Just says shake well before use. I have got one of these in the cupboard ready to use. I haven't got around to using it yet because I tend to SPF 50. I'm more drawn to those first. So no, I will try it. I will get around to trying it, but no, because I've already got one, maybe my daughter might want that one. Then we got another hair product. This is Philip Kingsley Swim Cap. It's a water resistant mask and there's 100 mils. So you apply it before entering any water, the sea or pool. It just helps protect it from chlorine, sea salt and things like that. If you do that, or if you're going on holiday, then this might be a handy item to have. We've got two more left. We've got Iconic London. This is Lift and Luminous, a baked highlighter. The shade says Universal. It's got a mirror. And that's what it looks like. I have got this one. It's really pretty, but it's not a daytime one for me. It's a bit full on, but if you love your full on highlighters, then you will love it. It does blend so lovely. Can you see? See, it's beautiful, isn't it? But it is a little bit full on for daytime for me, but nice for like going out and yeah, wearing a little bit more makeup than what I normally do. So there's that. And then lastly, we've got a perfume. This is by Kayali. And this is Vanilla. Vanilla 28 Eau de Parfum 10 mils. The bottle is beautiful, isn't it? It's so nice. And 10 mil size is so nice as well. And it's a spray. I have smelt this before, but I think I've had it in like little 1 or 1.5 mil. Smell. Samples. Yeah, it's not normally a scent I would go for. It's definitely more of an evening sort of scent for me. It's quite strong, but I love the vanilla smell to it. Yeah, it's just really nice, but a little bit different for me. And there you go. Those are all the products in the brand new Boots Love Island edit. 17 products in this box, 13 are full size. It costs £55. It's still available on their website and it has a value of £290.92p. I think. It's a huge saving if you love all these products. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you go out and buy it? Or are you watching this thinking, oh, I don't know, I'm not too sure? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. Even if you don't like it, I'd still love to hear. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.